Hello. Today I'll show you how to turn your signature into watermark. Take a picture of your signature. Go to Channels. Select Red Channel. Make a duplicate red channel. Go to Image, choose Adjustments. Select Invert. Again go to Image, choose Adjustments. Select Levels. Adjust the darker point for black. Adjust the lighter point for white. Select Channel Pixels by holding Ctrl key and click on Channel Thumbnail. Go to Layer panel. Create a solid color adjustment layer with a selection. Select black color. Hit OK. If your sign has some glitches like this, select Layer Mask. Select Brush Tool. Choose Hard Round Brush. Adjust brush size. Make sure your foreground color is white. You take your time, I do it fast for time saving. Create new document 1080 by 1080 pixels. Change resolution 300. Drag and drop your signature layer. Adjust the size by pressing Ctrl T, adjust and align into center. Right-click on layer, select Convert to Smart Object. Open blending options by double-clicking on the layer. Choose Outer Glow. Follow the settings. Hit OK. Hide background layer. Go to Edit, select Define Brush. Set your brush name, import image. Make a new layer. Select Brush Tool. Select your signature brush. Adjust your signature by pressing Ctrl T, set on your photograph as you like. Right bottom looks perfect for this image. That's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.